What if the silent reason your strength is fading isn't age, but a hidden circulation problem already developing inside you? Most men over 50 ignore this early warning sign until it's too late. Before you assume it's normal, watch carefully, because what you're about to discover might already be happening in your body. After the age of 50, many men begin to notice subtle changes that are rarely discussed openly. Energy dips, recovery slows, confidence wavers in moments that once felt natural and effortless. The body that once responded instantly now seems hesitant, delayed, uncertain. Yet here is something most men are never told. What feels like decline is often not a permanent loss, but a signal. A signal that circulation has slowed, that inflammation has increased, and that the body's internal communication system needs support. Around the world, searches for natural male vitality solutions have surged in recent years, especially among men over 50 who are looking for alternatives to synthetic pills. The growing interest in traditional remedies reflects a deeper shift. Men are beginning to ask not just how to force performance, but how to restore function from the inside out. One natural remedy that has quietly resurfaced in these conversations is castor oil. Long valued in traditional wellness practices, castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and is rich in ricinoleic acid, a compound known for supporting circulation and reducing localized inflammation. While many associate castor oil with digestive health or skin care, its potential benefits for improving blood flow and supporting tissue health are drawing renewed attention. Blood flow is the foundation of male vitality. Erections are not created by desire alone. They are vascular events. When arteries are flexible and circulation is strong, the body responds naturally. But when stress, poor diet, sedentary habits, and hormonal shifts interfere, blood vessels can stiffen and narrow, limiting responsiveness. Men over 50 are particularly vulnerable to reduced nitric oxide production, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. Without adequate nitric oxide, circulation weakens. Modern lifestyles further compound this issue. Processed foods high in sugar, chronic stress that elevates cortisol, lack of sleep, and reduced physical activity all contribute to vascular fatigue. Instead of addressing these root causes, many men are offered quick pharmaceutical fixes that may temporarily override the problem without resolving the underlying imbalance. This is where natural approaches become compelling. When applied to specific areas of the lower abdomen and pelvic region, castor oil packs have been traditionally used to stimulate circulation and support lymphatic flow. The warmth and gentle massage involved in application can encourage blood movement to surrounding tissues. In holistic teachings often associated with natural health educators like Barbara O'Neill, emphasis is placed on supporting the body's self-healing mechanisms rather than suppressing symptoms. The philosophy is simple. When you improve circulation, reduce inflammation, nourish the liver, and stabilize blood sugar, the body often restores function on its own. The lower abdomen, particularly the area just below the navel and above the pubic bone, contains major vascular pathways and lymphatic channels. Gentle massage with warm castor oil in this region may support tissue nourishment and relaxation of surrounding muscles. While scientific research on topical castor oil for erectile strength remains limited, studies do show its anti-inflammatory and circulatory supportive properties, which explains why traditional practitioners have used it for decades. Beyond the oil itself, the ritual of slowing down, applying warmth, and reconnecting with your body carries psychological benefits. Stress is one of the most underestimated factors in male vitality. Performance anxiety triggers adrenaline, which constricts blood vessels, the opposite of what is needed for strength and endurance. When a man feels rushed, pressured, or self-critical, the nervous system shifts into fight or flight mode. Restoring calm activates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing blood to flow freely. Therefore, this practice is not merely about oil. It is about creating a state of relaxation that supports vascular openness. However, it is important to understand that no topical remedy can compensate for deeper lifestyle imbalances. Stronger erections naturally depend on cardiovascular health, hormone balance, and metabolic stability. Supporting testosterone production through resistance training, adequate zinc and vitamin D intake, quality sleep, and maintaining a healthy waist circumference all play crucial roles. Excess abdominal fat converts testosterone into estrogen, further dampening vitality. Insulin resistance, increasingly common after 50, damages blood vessels and reduces nitric oxide availability. Addressing these factors amplifies the effects of any supportive remedy. In recent trend analyses across health platforms, searches related to natural circulation boosters, nitric oxide foods, and herbal male vitality solutions have steadily climbed. Men are no longer satisfied with temporary fixes. They are seeking sustainable strength. Castor oil, when used responsibly and as part of a broader wellness strategy, may serve as a supportive tool in this larger restoration journey. The key is consistency and integration with foundational health habits. What begins as a simple nightly ritual can become a catalyst for broader transformation, encouraging men to evaluate their diet, stress levels, movement patterns, and sleep quality. The most empowering realization is this: age alone does not determine decline. Many men in their 60s and 70s maintain strong vitality because they protect their circulation and manage inflammation proactively. The body responds remarkably well when given the right conditions. And this is only the beginning of understanding what truly restores masculine strength from within. There is something even more important that most men never consider, and it may explain why some remedies appear to work for a short time and then lose their effect. The issue is not only circulation at the surface level, but the health of the inner organs that regulate blood, hormones, and detoxification. The liver, often overlooked in conversations about male vitality, plays a critical role in hormone balance. After 50, the liver may become burdened by decades of processed foods, alcohol, medications, environmental toxins, and chronic stress. When the liver struggles, it cannot efficiently metabolize excess estrogen or regulate cholesterol properly. This imbalance subtly shifts the hormonal environment in the body, influencing energy, stamina, and responsiveness. Cholesterol itself is another misunderstood factor. Many men are told that cholesterol is entirely negative, yet cholesterol is a building block for testosterone. When levels are excessively suppressed without considering overall metabolic health, hormone production can decline. At the same time, oxidized LDL cholesterol contributes to arterial stiffness. It is not the presence of cholesterol alone, but inflammation and oxidation that damage the vessels. This is why antioxidants from colorful vegetables, berries, and leafy greens become so powerful. They protect nitric oxide and preserve the flexibility of blood vessels. Without flexible arteries, no topical oil or supplement can create lasting change. Now here is where suspense enters the picture, because there is a hidden barrier that many men overlook completely. Even if you improve diet, massage with castor oil, exercise more, and manage stress, there is one silent disruptor that quietly weakens erections over time: blood sugar instability. Elevated glucose levels damage the delicate lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium. This lining is responsible for releasing nitric oxide. When it is inflamed or impaired, blood vessels lose their ability to expand properly. Prediabetes and insulin resistance are increasingly common after 50, often without obvious symptoms. A man may feel relatively healthy, yet his vascular system is under constant strain. High sugar intake, refined carbohydrates, late-night eating, and insufficient movement create repeated spikes in insulin. Over years, these spikes blunt the body's sensitivity to insulin, forcing the pancreas to work harder. Eventually, circulation suffers. Small arteries are affected first, and the penile arteries are among the smallest in the body. This means erectile changes can appear years before more serious cardiovascular symptoms develop. In this sense, reduced performance can be an early warning sign, not merely a sexual issue. It is the body's way of asking for deeper care. Natural health philosophies, including those often associated with Barbara O'Neill, emphasize that the body does not malfunction randomly. It follows principles. When the terrain is clean, nourished, and balanced, systems operate efficiently. When the terrain becomes congested, inflamed, or toxic, performance declines. Supporting liver health with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage, staying hydrated, reducing alcohol, and allowing periods of digestive rest can dramatically improve hormonal harmony. Adding moderate strength training stimulates testosterone and growth hormone production, which further enhances circulation. There is also the role of the pelvic floor muscles, another area many men never train consciously. These muscles support bladder control and sexual function. Weak pelvic muscles can reduce firmness and endurance. Gentle pelvic floor exercises, sometimes called Kegels for men, increase blood retention capacity and improve control. When combined with improved circulation and balanced hormones, results can be profound. The body thrives on synergy. No single intervention acts alone. Each healthy habit amplifies the others. Sleep is equally critical. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep cycles. Chronic sleep deprivation reduces hormone output and increases cortisol, the stress hormone that constricts blood vessels. Many men over 50 experience fragmented sleep due to stress, screen exposure, or late meals. Improving sleep hygiene by reducing blue light at night, maintaining a consistent schedule, and creating a cool, dark sleeping environment can restore hormonal rhythms. Even a modest improvement in sleep duration can elevate morning vitality. Stress management cannot be overstated. Psychological pressure, financial concerns, relationship tension, and unprocessed emotions all manifest physically. When stress becomes chronic, the sympathetic nervous system remains dominant. Blood is directed toward survival organs rather than reproductive organs. This is a biological design. Therefore, cultivating calm through breathing exercises, walking in nature, or quiet reflection is not indulgence. It is physiological support. The body must feel safe to perform optimally. The truth that creates suspense is this. Many men focus on the symptom, but ignore the ecosystem. They search for the one oil, the one herb, the one pill that will fix everything. Yet the body responds to patterns, not quick fixes. Castor oil may support circulation locally, but its power multiplies only when the internal environment is prepared. When blood sugar stabilizes, inflammation decreases, liver function improves, and stress lowers, the smallest arteries begin to recover. Energy rises not because something artificial forced it, but because barriers were removed. What if the real transformation is not about rubbing a spot, but about awakening a deeper awareness of how the body works? The next realization may change the way you see aging entirely. The most powerful shift a man can make after 50 is not chasing youth, but redefining strength. Strength at this stage of life is not about proving anything to anyone. It is about preserving vitality, protecting the heart, and honoring the body that has carried you through decades of work, responsibility, and experience. When you understand that erection quality is directly connected to vascular integrity, hormone balance, emotional well-being, and metabolic health, you begin to see it not as an isolated function, but as a reflection of your entire lifestyle. This awareness changes everything. Instead of feeling embarrassed or defeated by subtle decline, you begin to see it as information. The body is not betraying you. It is communicating with you. There is profound motivation in realizing that many aspects of male vitality remain adaptable well into the later decades of life. Research consistently shows that blood vessels can regain flexibility through consistent exercise, improved nutrition, and reduced inflammation. Nitric oxide production can be enhanced by foods such as leafy greens, beetroot, citrus fruits, and pomegranate. Testosterone levels can be supported naturally through resistance training, adequate protein intake, sun exposure for vitamin D, and sufficient sleep. Even psychological resilience can be strengthened through mindfulness and purposeful living. Aging does not eliminate adaptability, it simply demands intention. Castor oil in this broader picture becomes symbolic of something deeper. The act of warming the oil, applying it gently to the lower abdomen, and taking time to breathe slowly represents a commitment to self-care. It signals to the nervous system that you are not in a rush, not in a battle, not under threat. In that calm state, blood vessels relax, muscles soften, and circulation improves. While the oil itself may support local tissue health through its anti-inflammatory properties, the ritual reinforces consistency. It reminds you nightly that your health deserves attention. That simple habit can inspire other habits. Choosing whole foods over processed snacks, going for a walk instead of sitting longer, turning off screens earlier, and managing stress before it accumulates. In many natural health teachings aligned with voices like Barbara O'Neill, there is a recurring theme. The body was designed with an incredible capacity to repair when obstacles are removed. This philosophy is empowering because it shifts control back into your hands. You do not need to wait for decline to accelerate. You can intervene now. You can nourish your arteries, stabilize your blood sugar, strengthen your pelvic floor, improve your sleep, and reduce your waist circumference. Every positive action compounds. Small improvements in circulation enhance oxygen delivery. Better oxygenation supports mitochondrial energy production. More energy fuels exercise. Exercise further improves circulation. The cycle becomes upward rather than downward. There is also a mental transformation that occurs when a man chooses natural restoration over passive resignation. Confidence grows not because of guaranteed outcomes, but because of disciplined effort. When you know you are taking deliberate steps each day, you reclaim authority over your body. This confidence itself improves performance by reducing anxiety. The nervous system thrives on assurance. Fear constricts. Confidence expands. Even posture influences circulation. Standing tall, breathing deeply into the diaphragm, and engaging the core muscles enhance oxygen exchange and blood movement. Another powerful realization is that sexual vitality and cardiovascular health are inseparable. The same arteries that supply blood to reproductive tissue also supply blood to the heart and brain. Supporting one supports the others. When you improve your erection quality naturally, you are often simultaneously reducing long-term cardiovascular risk. This is not merely about intimacy, it is about longevity. It is about being present and energetic for your family, maintaining independence, and enjoying life with clarity and strength. Many men have been conditioned to believe that decline is inevitable and irreversible after a certain age. Yet examples abound of men in their 60s and 70s who remain vigorous because they prioritize movement, whole foods, emotional balance, and consistent routines. The difference is not genetics alone, it is daily choices accumulated over time. The body listens to patterns. When patterns shift toward nourishment and recovery, outcomes shift as well. You may have begun this journey curious about a simple natural method involving castor oil. What you discovered instead is a blueprint for systemic renewal. The oil may be a supportive tool, but the true transformation lies in circulation, hormone balance, metabolic stability, and nervous system calm. When these pillars align, strength returns in ways that feel organic and sustainable. The message is not that you must become perfect overnight. It is that every step toward balance matters. Your body is not finished at 50. It is evolving. With intention, education, and consistent care, you can experience vitality that feels grounded, steady, and confident. Let this be the moment you choose restoration over resignation. Let it be the moment you understand that natural strength is built from within, layer by layer, habit by habit. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.